Hello everybody, my name is Lexi Winters and I guess you could say that I'm like a TikTok dancer or whatever. So basically, today if you clicked on this video, you're wanting to learn some TikTok dances and that is what I'm here to do. I'm here to teach you how to do some of like the most popular TikTok dances because especially in quarantine, there's nothing else to do other than be on TikTok and follow the trends that they have going on. So that is what I'm going to be teaching you guys today. But a lot of you guys are like, Lexi Winters, like who are you? Never seen you before. Or like, why are you on this channel? So hi, I'm Lexi Winters. Like I said, I'm a TikTok dancer. My TikTok handle, it's Lexi Winters 17 with double I's on both, I believe. Let me just check. Yeah, with 2 I's. So it's Lexi Winters 17 with double I's. My Instagram is Lexi Winters, again with the double I's on Lexi and Winters. Yeah, so basically I'm on this channel today to teach you guys some TikTok dances and show you guys some of that stuff. So, but a little bit about myself. So I'm a fellow Canadian. I lived in BC my whole life and then I moved to Alberta when I started university. So I've been in Alberta for the past 2 years, 2.5-ish years, yeah. And people are like, how did TikTok, like, it's such a new app, like, how did you just, like, gain your following on it? And I'm like, dude, I don't even know. No, but, so what I started doing is I started TikTok in November of 2019. And when my friends first showed me TikTok, I was like, like these are weird videos, like I don't know if I can get behind like all of this stuff, you know? Like I was like, I don't know, like these are strange things that you guys are watching. So I kind of like bugged them for it, like, oh, you guys are so obsessed with TikTok, whatever. But it's ironic because now that's like how I make my income and like I'm famous on there. So it's really weird how like your mind does that. But basically, so yeah, I started in November. One of my TikToks just blew up, like out of the blue, like it took off. That was my first video that ever hit 1 million views, which to me was like out of this world because ever since I was a little girl, this is something that I always wanted to do, like be an influencer and like, you know, have like a following. That's always something I wanted when I was little. So like to watch that like happen, I was like, this is real life? Like, what do you mean? So that was really cool. And then after that, like the following, it just picked up. Like I just started consistently posting like 3 times a day, which every influencer or person that you will talk to that is in this kind of business, they'll tell you the same thing. Be consistent, because if you want to gain a following, then you gotta be consistent and you gotta show that you want it. So as long as you're consistent, those numbers will come, girl, I promise. Or boy, whatever you're trying to do. If you keep those videos coming, it'll be consistent. The numbers will be steady flowing. So a little bit about myself. So actually how I got into TikTok and why I think that my dancing TikToks specifically have progressed more than my other ones is because I have a dancing history. So I feel like every girl in the world has a dancing history, but it's something that is a huge part of my life, so I'm gonna tell you guys about it. So when I think I was 3 years old is when I started dancing. Like my mom put me in dance lessons, you know, like the classic like starting off young, whatever. But when I think I was in grade, I think it was like grade 5 or 6, my mom decided to put me into competitive dancing. So that's when I started like competing for trophies and like placements and stuff. That's when I got like really serious. So with that, I actually traveled to Disneyland and danced for Disney, I think twice. And then I danced on a cruise ship. So dance has opened so many opportunities for me. And I stopped dancing in grade 12 because my dance teacher ruined it for me. Like it was just a very toxic environment at the very end. So I was like, okay, I gotta go. Peace out of this. So that sucked, and I thought that I would never like get to dance again, you know, or like, because dance classes when you're older, they're super fun. They are, don't get me wrong, but like sometimes it's hard to like find a good class or like a good group of people that you want to dance around, because dancing in front of strangers, believe me, so hard. Like when I do TikTok dances and I like film them in public spaces, I get so anxious because I'm like, don't look at me, don't look at me, like, So yeah, with dance, it's definitely, I'm very happy that TikTok has given me the opportunity to like bring back my dancing career, like my dancing history. So that's something that's super neat. So enough of me blabbling along. God, like I talk so much, I'm so sorry. But who wants a boring person, right? Like the more you talk, the more fun you are. Anyways, so now I'm going to teach you guys, I think I'm going to teach you guys 2 dances because I feel like that's like enough. Like start with 2, we go from there. We'll see how we're feeling, but yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so the first dance I'm going to be teaching you guys is the dance called, well, it's not called Hot Girl, but that's the title of the song. It's Hot Girl by Meg Thee Stallion. So I'm gonna start off by just doing the dance first, and then I'll like break it down and we can go through it. Ready? Hey, all the hot girls make it pop, pop, pop. Bad bitches with the bag say, ay, ay, ay. If he ain't talking about no money, tell him bye, bye, bye. let's go ahead and teach you the dance. So when it says, all the hot girls make it pop, pop, pop. Bad bitches with the bag. Yeah, whatever the word is. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8. All the hot girls make it pop, pop, pop. Bad bitches with the bag say, yeah. And you like throw it back, do whatever you want. Like if you wanna throw it back, or if you just like wanna just like move your hips, do whatever. So let's do it again from the top. Sorry, my hair is like hella in the way and it's driving me batshit crazy, but that's okay. When you take TikToks, you usually take them on your phone and it'll be like up this way. So I'll just show you guys. TikToks are filmed this way, not this way. So you guys are watching it like this, but if you're gonna make the TikTok, make sure it's like this. Hopefully that made sense.
All the hot girls make it pop, pop, pop. Bad bitches with the bag say, yeah. If he ain't talking about no money, tell him bye, bye, bye. And you ain't see a mad hoe, tell her ha, ha, ha. Ay, don't get mad, hoe, man. Bang, hoe, bang. Don't get mad, hoe, man.
Okay, so after the yeah, which is the body roll, you're gonna say, if he ain't talking about no money, tell him bye, bye, bye. So it's like front cross, cross, bye, beach. So yeah, after yeah, if he ain't talking about no money, tell him bye, bye, bye. And then after that, it's if you see a mad hoe, tell her ha, ha, ha. This part is look over, front, down, up, ha, ha, ha. Like, hey, bitch, what up, beach? Like that. So, okay, let's take it from the yeah. If he ain't talking about no money, tell him bye, bye, bye. If you see a mad hoe, tell her ha, ha, ha. Okay? Should we do that whole part up to there? Let's do it. Okay.
All the hot girls make it pop, pop, pop. Bad bitches with the bag say, yeah. If he ain't talking about no money, tell him bye, bye, bye. And you ain't see a mad hoe, tell her ha, ha, ha. Ay, don't get mad, hoe, man. Bang, hoe, bang. Don't get mad, hoe, man.
Okay, so on the part after the ha, 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 like the hoe, it's gonna be like, don't get mad, hoe. Get a bag, hoe. So yeah, after the ha, hoe, it's like, don't get mad, hoe. Get a bag, hoe. Shall we try it all together with the music, or shall we do it slow one more time from the beginning? Let's do that. So it's gonna start off with, all the hot girls make it pop, pop, pop. Bad bitches with the bag say, yeah. If he ain't talking about no money, tell him bye, bye, bye. And if you see a mad hoe, tell her ha, ha, ha. Hey, don't get mad, hoe. Get a bag, hoe. So that part, and then after this part, I just throw my own thing into it because I don't like the full way that Charli D'Amelio and stuff does it, so I do it my own way. And since you're watching me film the TikToks, I'm gonna teach you my way of doing it. So after this, I just freestyle. You do whatever you want. I usually am like, get a bag, because like a bag either means like a purse or like money. So yeah, that's how you do the Hot Girl by Meg Thee Stallion. We're gonna do the watch me throw it back, because this is one of like, this has almost 1 million videos created to the one song. So I think that this is a really popular one that would be helpful for you guys to learn. So let me just show you what it looks like. Okay. So it starts off with, if I speed it up. So I just like moved my hips. So I was like, if I speed it up, and then it's like, can you handle that? So raise your hands. I kind of kept mine like a little bit bent, like just like dainty almost. So if I speed it up, can you handle that? And then it goes ching. So you just pull your arm back, like, if I speed it up, can you handle that? You ain't ready for this work, now watch me throw it back. That's how it goes. So like on the cha-chings and stuff, there's like that's when you do these movements. So we'll do it one more time. So if I speed it up, can you handle that? Boom, you ain't ready for this work, now watch me throw it back. Let's see if that makes any sense. So after the I speed it up, can you handle that? Cha-ching. You're gonna pop your chest out and like a little bit of an isolation. So if I speed it up, can you handle that? You're ready for this, and then you're gonna gun motion. So you're gonna go up while your arm is like holding your arm. You're gonna like this, and then you're gonna grab it, that, and then that's it. Now you guys know 2 TikTok dances. So hopefully that makes sense, and hopefully that helped. I really hope I didn't teach those super fast, but yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.